Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Hey girl, hey.
That's what love is, like that is like the things are.
Who am I that I would push back? Is that the loving thing you made a bed for me to love?
Guys, today we are back with an unboxing video. And along with the unboxing video, I am going to talk to you guys about my updated Cartier collection because I have been adding a couple pieces here and there from Cartier. So instead of doing like a whole jewelry update, I'm just going to update my Cartier collection. Cartier is definitely one of my favorite brands. Yeah, we're just going to update that Cartier collection. You guys know when I did my everyday jewelry collection, I talked about upgrading a few pieces in my collection. So the pieces I did add to my collection, that's what I'm here to share with you guys, along with a unboxing. So without further ado, guys, without rambling, let's just get right into this Cartier updated collection video. All right, so we're gonna start. You guys know that I have my 4 Love bracelets and I love them so much. I wear them all the time. I may take them off to clean them. Let me see if I can get a great shot of this without my face being in there. So, you know, I have 3 regular Love bracelets, or bangles if you want to call them bangles. And I have the one with the 4 diamonds. And then these are just the regular, and I have these in a size 16. Now remember, I had the Just Clou, but the thinner version, and I said I wasn't so happy with that one. So I did pass it down to my daughter. She loves it. It's perfect for her. She's very petite and she loves it. So I went on and I added the Cartier Just Clou, the regular size, with the pave diamonds. So let me show you guys this. And this is with the pave diamonds. And it is so beautiful, and I love it. Like, this is like one of my favorite pieces in my collection, with the pave diamonds, and I love it. So I'm going to just take it out of the box and then I'm going to put it on. And I know people were saying they had issues with the mechanism. I think this is a different mechanism from maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And I haven't had any issues with it. It took me a little while to get used to taking it off, but now I have it down to a science. And I love it. So I'm just going to put it on. And wait, before I put it on, let me show you. Could you see the diamonds in the nail part? On the tip, the nail tip is diamonds. Okay, so I always wear it stacked with my bracelets. So I just love this Cartier stack. And I love Cartier. I can never get tired of it. I don't think I'll ever have enough of it. I love me some Cartier, okay? Your girl just loves some Cartier. All right, so I did add another item that I got for my birthday. If you watch my birthday unboxing, this was a part of what I got for my birthday. I will link the video here. If you haven't watched that, you can go and watch that after you watch this video. But I added another love ring to my collection, and this is the small size, which I think they considered a small size, the wedding band size. Yeah, so it is so tiny and dainty. I love it. And this is considered the wedding band size. So I have this for my pinky, as you can see. This is for my pinky. Or I was thinking about I can actually wear it here, because it goes down like this, and I love this. I just cannot wait to add a couple more pieces to my collection, but for now I'm going to wear it on my pinky. Along on my pointer finger, I have my small Just Clou and my regular size love ring, and I plan on I plan on upgrading my Juste Clou ring as well to the one with the diamonds to match my bracelet, and I will be passing down this one to my daughter. And that's the thing about luxury jewelry or fine jewelry, where you can pass it down to your family members and then they can pass it down and you can just keep it in your family, and it grows value, guys. When I tell you, all my items that I have purchased have went up in prices since I purchased. Especially the Love bracelets have definitely increased close to $2,000. I think I paid for my very first Love bracelet, I think I paid maybe $5,600, and now I think I can't even remember, but I'm gonna put a price on the screen. But they have went up, and I feel like they go up every single year. So that's one thing about solid gold. It will hold its value. It will definitely go up. Gold always go up. So that's why I don't mind. And like I said, I like to pass mine down to family members and, keep it in the family. It's family heirloom. Yeah, so if you ever think about investing in gold, don't think twice about it. If you have it, just buy it. It will definitely increase in value, so you will not have to worry. All right, so let me show you guys another piece that I added and I got for my birthday. So it is the stud earrings, if you guys can see them. And these are the single studs that I added to my collection. These are the single studs. Could you see them? They're so cute. And the reason why I went with the single studs is because the back end is a lot different from when you buy them in a set. And I love this back end. Very, very comfortable. Yeah, so those are some of the pieces that I added since my last jewelry haul, my fine jewelry haul. And now, without further ado, guys, we're going to unbox my gift. Just because. Let's do a thumbnail. All right. So I added another piece from Cartier. It's not big, but I'm excited for it. I have been looking for this piece for a while. So the other day, me and Babe went out and I decided to stop in Cartier and pick up this piece. Inside my bag, it is the Cartier certificate. And I don't know why they didn't give me a booklet. I didn't even see that. But I will go back and ask them for a booklet. This have all my numbers on it. I bought this on October 5th, 2024. I'm so used to having a little leather booklet. I will definitely ask for that. And then they gave me a little pouch. So of course, it's small. It's a carry-in travel pouch. They always give you a travel pouch. That's what I love about Cartier. You get the travel pouch. And business card with the essay's information on it. And then this is what the certificates usually come in, like a smaller one of these. This is just my receipt here, proof of purchase. Maybe they were out of the little booklet, so I would definitely ask if they can give me one. And here is the box. We love this Cartier box, right? We just love a Cartier wax stamp. And the box is so cute. All right, let's just get it open. And it is in the Cartier box. And we're gonna open the box like so. And then you guys know the box just comes out like this. Slides right out, and here we go. We're gonna pop it open, and here it is, guys. Your girl purchased the Huggy earrings in the 18 karat gold. Here they are. They are so tiny and cute. I wanted something that I could wear on the day-to-day basis that I can sleep in. I don't like changing my jewelry out all the time, and especially my earrings, because I have long nails and I always have a really hard time putting them in or taking them off. I usually have to get help, but I think I can do these myself, and I will be able to sleep in these. They have the flat backs, so let me show you the backs. These are the backs, and it's the flat backs. You can see it. And let me give you another shot of the front of the earring. They're so tiny, but very cute. And I can imagine me stacking these and along with the studs and wearing my hair back in a ponytail. I think it's gonna look so cute. I did try on the next size up. I think these are the smallest huggies, and then I tried the next size up, but I felt like they were too heavy, too big for the look that I was going for. I just wanted something small, and I want to be able to, you know, change it out. So where my piercing is now, where I have the stud, is low. It's very low, because I'm going to go on top. I'm going to put a piercing here, and then once this heal, I'm going to move this from here to here and then put my huggy underneath of it. And that's the stack that I'm going for. So for now, I'm going to put these in my very first hole. So I'm going to see if I can get these on. And these are like a little, you squeeze it. It's not a, yeah, you do, it's a little squeeze. It's so tiny. I don't even know if I can show you guys, because like I said, my nails, but this little circle has little things on the sides. You can squeeze it, and that's how you take it off. So I'm going to see if I can put them on, because babe is not home. And let me show you guys the size of, there you go. Yeah, you can see that. So it's a pretty decent size. So I'm going to try to place this on. And I have a thick earlobe, and I thought these were going to be way too small, but they fit perfect. As soon as I can get it on. My diamond studs, I've been wearing them for so long, I can put them in without looking in the mirror. They just go right in. No problem whatsoever. Anything else, I have a hard time getting it on. Okay, here it is, guys. Can you see it? I didn't put the back on yet. I'm going to put the back on in a second, but I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of the earring. And hopefully I can get the back on without any issues. And I have to remember what side he told me was. Okay, so this part goes to the front. This goes to the back. Okay. This is very, very hard to do with my nails. I definitely should have waited till my husband was home to record this video so he can come in and help me. But I'm going to try and get it on. I think I got it on. Yeah, I have it. There we go. Okay, here it is. And I love the stack. All right, one down, one more to go. I'm gonna have to move this mirror here, guys. Let's see if I can get this on. This one I know I usually have a hard time with because of this hole actually closed before. when I was younger, and I had it reopened, and they went in the same hole, but when it came out the back, it came out a different, the angle is a lot different. So it will go in, but then the back is like not in, if you understand what I'm saying. So I have to feel around, and this is why I said I want a pair of earrings that I can sleep in and I don't have to take off because of that issue. And I was tired of just my diamond studs. I wanted something. I just wanted the gold earrings. I just wanted a gold stack. And my diamond studs are set in white gold, and it's like a princess cut. And I don't like the way it look with my Cartier stud earrings. I don't know. I didn't like the way it looked. So I wanted to add another gold piece to it. All right. We're in. Okay, so here it is. Get a little closer so you guys can see. Yeah, so this is my new stack, my new pinky ring, and my new just unclue with the diamonds. I love it. Yeah, so that is it for my Cartier haul. Hopefully, I have on my list, I would like to have a Cartier Love necklace with the small charm, the dainty one. I love that too. I'm just debating if I want it with diamonds or if I want it in all gold. So leave a comment below what you think about my new earring stack and my new just unclue bracelet. This is like my everyday jewelry that I wear every single day. Sometimes I'll take off. I don't sleep in my just unclue. I don't sleep in my rings. So I do take off my rings, but I do sleep in my earrings, and I do sleep in my Love bangles, and they don't bother me at all. I'm just so used to them. I'm actually still considering adding one more, maybe white gold with 4 diamonds. I have looked at it a couple times, so not 100% sure, but she's definitely on the list. 4 diamonds, white gold, yes. Okay guys, that is it for my jewelry update, my Cartier collection. And if you enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you made it this far to the video and you're not subscribed, girl, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified and become official citizen. Till next time, Syd signing off. Peace.